G'day everyone, Artist Wayne here. It's early morning and I'm in the beautiful Ourimbah State Forest. And today I'm riding with two pocket rockets, Amy and Kimmy, Tom, Anthony the Dingus, Mad Mal, and Andy, aka Chunky Dog. And this would certainly be a ride to remember. And it wasn't because of gnarly, rocky, impossible hill climbs or messy, muddy, wet quagmires, but because of a secretive, mystical, tranquil location we were about to embark on. And it was thanks to these two blokes here. Say hello to my two new mates, Frank and Rob. And we just happened to bump into them when I stopped to put pieces back on my WR250. And again I was being held up by my mate Mad Mal, who incidentally always has a go at me, saying that I put my feet out on the ground. But as you can all see, it appears that Mad Mal rides his enduro bike like a scooter. And before we knew it, we were heading down a steep descent. You know it's steep when Mad Mal has both feet on the ground. This track would take us to an amazing place. A beautiful trail that would wind its way along the valley floor beside Lovely Creek. However beautiful this trail was, it was about to get better. And when I say better, I mean harder.
Hey, you go over to him.
Beautiful, mate, beautiful.
Wait here for like 15 minutes because there's a hard bit we're going to do. It's a loop that goes right up the hill, really steep.
Yes please Frank, let's go. Oh, finally the dingus joined us, and yes, we could continue.
This is nice. Fuck, this is beautiful.
What a bloody beaut ride! What an awesomely beautiful place! So thanks Frank and Rob for showing us around. And for those that want to know where it is, I'm not bloody telling you because it's a secret. I'm artist Wayne Dowson and thanks for watching everyone.